Is that Katie?
Katie.
Katie. Is that
Katie.
Can you do the sign for K? K for Katie. Is that a K?
Katie.
K. Good girl.
Katie.
What is this? A.
Hey.
A. Good girl. And this one?
Blue.
B for blue. Yes, B for blue. What's this one? C. C for cousin, right? C. Can you do cousin? Can you do the sign for cousin? Do you know the sign for cousin? Cousin. Good girl. What about this letter? D for dog. Woof woof. Yes, good girl. What does this say right here? Katie. Yes. Katie. Good girl. Good girl.
You like it?
Was that a sticker? Did you have a sticker?
No.
Yes, you did. You ripped it off, though. Yes, you did.
Ow.
Oh. Are you coloring?
No.
Yes.
Oh, good.
Juice? Good girl. Where's your crayon?
Huh.
Oh.
It's white.
Is that black? Do you want the blue one?
Where?
Blue? Can you say thank you?
T.
Oh.
It's
Where does it say Katie?
Katie.
Where's your name?
Katie.
Right there. Should we write it again? Here, let's write it with the black one.
Katie. Katie.
Katie.
Katie. It's great.
Yay.
It's K.
What's that letter?
It's
A. Good girl. A. Yes. And this one?
blue.
B for blue. B. This is a B.
Spring.
B. Yes, B. Good girl.
Baby.
And this one? C for cousin.
Dad.
Yeah, and that one is a D for dog. Dog.
Oh.
D for dog.
Oh.
Oh.
It's mommy.
Yes.
D.
D for dog. What does the dog say? Woof, woof. What does the kitty say? What does the kitty say?
Meow.
And what about a lion?
Wow.
Ah! Good girl. And what about a bird? Yes. And how about a fish? And a chicken? Bok, 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 bok. And what about a lamb? What does the sheep say?
Ow.
Ah, you got me.
Uh-oh. This is spicy.
Huh? There it is. Ha.
It's
Yes?
Oh, it's orange.
Where do you have an owie?
It's orange.
Where?
Owie.
Should we take these off? Let's take the boots off.
It's sweet.